sunlight available in India throughout the year, except some monsoon season, but it is available throughout the year. In European countries, this is the major problem. Sunlight is not available throughout the year. While we are lucky to have our Matrubhumi with a God gift, we have the sunlight. So definitely, it is to be used, and to government has the number of policies for the solar energy. But when such thing is developed, suppose now in the as far as the vehicle market is concerned, the segment in the electrical vehicles sell per year, that is only 3%, 1 to 3% for electrical vehicles. But now it will be increased. So as and when it is increased, some technical persons are required for that. Solar energy now, so many houses, they have the rooftop, solar rooftop. But for the maintenance, the persons are required, technical persons are required. For installation, technical persons are required. For efficiency of that rooftop plant, the technical persons are required. So in all such things, they are very important. And the Bharatbhai and his team has already taken the initiative, uh, and in this area particularly. So under the continuing education center, we are introducing such type of the courses, which are the add-on courses, we are value-added courses, uh, we are the skill-based courses, which are required for the industry, which are required for the future career of the students. And we have found the data that the students, those who have completed, suppose in with the tourism corporation of Gujarat, government of Gujarat, number of courses we have completed, and the employment ratio of that students are very good. Similarly, some other courses were also completed. uh, about more than 20 courses last year we have completed under the this continuing education center, and the whole administration procedure, that is very simple, no bureaucratic hindrance in that particular center. So any NGO, any college, they can apply online, and within a 15 days the that proposal is evaluated, and we are giving the signals to the concerned authority to run the course. So uh, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity uh, in this course inauguration. Um, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your remarkable words, and thank you for supporting us to take on the initiative to work in emerging area like solar system and electrical vehicle technologies. Thank you very much. So we have two students with us of our first batch, and students want to share workout of this course of batch one. So I would like to Abhishek Nanda.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Nanda,
Good afternoon, sir.
yes, you can share your feedbacks of batch one.
Yes, good afternoon to all the dignitaries from GTU and the Sri campus. I'm Abhishek Nanda from Jamnagar. I run the firm Nanda Electric Service. I am BE Electric and Electronics from GTU 2015 batch, and I joined this course. Hello. અવાજ નથી આવતો. Hello.
Yes, Abhishek bhai, you are audible. Please share your feedback.
હા.
Thank you.
Okay. 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 So, sir, this program was very brief and very well designed. Uh, Many parts which were uncovered for me for solar sector were now covered, and it was great honor to be back in GTU. Thank you.
Anand bhai, you are muted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now we request Mrs. Kruti Barot, Managing Director of Tirupati Group Limited, Uganda, to address the gathering and give her valuable input to our short-term certification course. So over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Namaste, Professor Naveen sir. It's very nice to see you. We had the opportunity to host the entire GTU facility and other universities in Uganda when they had come for study in Gujarat delegation with the Minister of State, Sri Vibhavri Ben Dave. And it was led by the Principal Secretary, Dr. Anju Ben Sharma. So it's very good to be associated again with the same team. And I congratulate Dr. Bharat Rao, Anand Acharya, and the entire Satsangi Saket Dham team for organizing such webinars. I was part of a previous webinar as well, which talked about the 5 Vedic elements. And today I'm talking on solar. So normally people get confused that she has done biomedical engineering, she is doing business in Uganda in real estate, and now she's talking on solar. So people get confused કે બધું એક સાથે કોઈ કેવી રીતે કહી શકે. બટ મારો પોઈન્ટ હું અહીંયા બિઝનેસ પર્સપેક્ટિવથી એટલા માટે બોલવા માંગુ છું કે યુગાન્ડામાં ખૂબ જ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીઝ છે. India, though, we have already talked about, and we know that India is already 4 years ahead of the schedule of the Paris Agreement. And everyone knows that India has achieved renewable sources માં અને જે કરી રહ્યું છે એ ખૂબ અદ્ભુત છે. But I also want to encourage people in the business sector and in the solar industry and also the students to come and explore the African continent. The good thing about Africa is that it is an amalgamation of 54 countries. So દરેક countryમાં એટલી જ opportunity છે. And because I come from Uganda, I will talk about Uganda today. કે યુગાન્ડામાં અહીંયા ઇન્ડિયામાં તો આપણે ઓફકોર્સ ગીગાવોટ્સની વાત કરીએ છીએ, but Uganda is still small and we are still doing in megawatts. So the biggest project in Uganda so far is only for 10 megawatts, and it was done at a cost of 19 million US dollars. But the opportunity is huge because the market is raw. And personally, we also do the government projects. We build colleges, we build schools, we build hospitals. So 100 watts no to મેં પોતે પણ solar project કરેલો છે, જે મને એ વખતે ખૂબ મોંઘો પડ્યો હતો. It was done at a cost of 25 lakh rupees, and it was only 100 watt project. So you can imagine the scope, you can imagine the area that Uganda is still trying to explore. Another thing I wanted to say that Uganda દરેક માર્કેટ એટલું જ વર્જિન છે, not only solar industry, every other industry is equally welcoming. તો અગર કોઈ બી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ને યુગાન્ડામાં ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીઝ જોઈતી હોય, so we are always there. We have a base there. We are always, already 22 MOUs sir sign karela che, but unfortunately the pandemic hit right after the delegation had left Uganda, so we could not move forward. So any opportunity that any student would want in our region, we are always there and we are always welcoming. So that's what, and I want to congratulate every one of you here who have been part of this webinar, especially Anand Acharya sir for organizing it so well. And that's it. And sir, thank you so much. It was an honor and a privilege to see you. And I welcome you and invite you to Uganda with with your team members. And my brother actually talks a lot about you. He told me that you have been associated with ABVP, and all the stories that I've heard, they are very inspiring. And it's truly an honor to see you and meet you through this platform, sir. So I would like to tell all the students, all the industries. I saw Nirdhara, was it Nirdhara Technologies who was giving the presentation? Anand
Yes.
sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Y-
So, yes. So
Yes,
whatever
I'm
is,
I'm from Nirdhara Energy and IT Solution, and
yes.
I am also part of SRI campus. I have complete my Master of Engineering in Electrical Department from this our Sri Satsangi Sakedam Ram Ashram College, and then I have started this my own business, and as well as with association with our organization we have started under guidance of GTU. These two technological course. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So that's why I would like to encourage all these industries to be there. Like, I don't do anything related to solar in Uganda. I would just like to clarify that. But whatever opportunity that people would need in Uganda will be always there to help and support. And we will try and see that how we as a like Amaru, we have built a business park in we are the first real estate companies to build a business park in Uganda which caters 135 industries. And Emathi, we have two solar industries that we are providing space for, but they import all their equipments, their batteries, everything from the other countries. And the irony is Africa being the richest continent as far as the minerals are concerned. We have a huge tantalum mine in Africa, including Uganda. So, people who are interested in the mining industry also, you're most welcome. So, that is what I would like to say from my side. And thank you, Dr. Anand Acharya, for inviting me again and giving me this platform to present myself. And that's it. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Namaste, Ben. Namaskar.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable inputs regarding this short-term certification course. And now we are moving towards the next session of this course. And I would like to invite Nirav sir uh, represent the opportunity of this course points and to all engineering branch students. So Nirav sir, it's over to you.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sorry, due to some interruption, we cannot consider these two main parts of this course. So now I completing covering this regarding opportunity after this course. If this course is covered all each and every branches. Uh, so after completion, if in this after this course, if the participants are electrical, EC, or triple E branch, then they will have marketing, installation, JEDA and DESCOM coordination, project engineer, electrical design of solar rooftop system, and EV charging station side. They will get opportunity. If the mechanical branch is student, they can develop their work in a structural design, solar thermal engineering segment, electric vehicle manufacturing, and service maintenance of in EV industries. If the IT student, they can get the opportunity in software designing of grid inverter, manufacturing plant of EV, solar panel manufacturing and inverter manufacturing, software support assistant in all three areas. And if the computer engineering branch student, they can support this business in the digital platform, network management, IoT based and other new technology implementation is this area, and develop the smartness in these technologies. For automobile engineers, the manufacturing of EV and service maintenance of EV segment, they can get opportunity. For a civil engineer, they can have some opportunity in megawatts can scale power plants. And now, if we look into the job opportunity in professionals, you can participants can get the survey engineer, design engineer, marketing executive, installation project engineer, licensing executive. And if we are looking into the business opportunity, so if some student develop a team, and they can start the solar system installation and EV charging station installation work. They can also do the freelancing work in the AutoCAD, shadow analysis, CIGs related drawing, EV charging station software support. And they can work also as a freelancer in this regional area by area of contact for solar and EV electric vehicle segment. Solar panel cleaning system is the major developing part in this solar industries. Battery swapping station, the student can also develop at a low investment model, and they can start trading of parts of e-cycle converter kit and any other developments, any other parts of these two emerging technologies. If we look into the placement opportunities after this course, so a student can work as a R&D engineer with Bureau of Energy Efficiency, renewable energy, power sectors, work as a project engineer, renewable department as a at energy auditor. In Gujarat, we see as a 450 plus solar EPC companies are working under Surya Gujarat scheme. So student can also get the opportunity in this big professional area. 40 plus solar EPC companies which are working in the industrial and commercial projects, and 25 plus companies are working in the solar panel manufacturing, inverter manufacturing segment in Gujarat, and 20 plus player working in a EV battery and EV charging station developer in Gujarat. So student will have so many opportunities after completing this course. And these are the companies which are associated with our this course, means NG Club Private Limited, M Class Power, Helios Natural Energy, Greenview Tech Energy, Goldie Solar is also with us, Prithvi Solar Energy, who is a solar water heater manufacturer, even Sureja, Citizen Solar. These are the companies which are associated with us for the placement opportunity. And if we look into the Nirdhara Energy Group, so we are providing some support to our students. Means there is no probation period for the students. So encouraging to the student, most of all industrialists give them 6 to 1 year probation period. So after completing this course, and if we show to our team this Center for Continuing Education certified course certificate, then we exempted from our probation period. BE finance students can also do the internship with us as a junior engineer. Student can join us as a freelancer and start the earning. If the student will perform the best in this course, then we can recruit them under our direct recruitment policy of our company. Company will also guide and provide the possible support to the student to start the business in their area of contact and interest as their regional areas. these are the facilities and support provided by our Nirdhara group, and which encourage all the student to perform the best. And these are my side, and we hope and try to deliver our best in to this course. And very well, thank you to our vice principal, Professor Dr. Naveen Seth, and our Bharat Rao sir, managing trustee, to give this best opportunity to my company, and to be a part of this course. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nirav sir, for giving guidance to students regarding opportunity of this course. And now I request to all participants and experts to on your camera for the inaugural session group photo click. So, Kiran sir, please on your camera, so group photo take for this session. All participants and experts, faculties. Click on your camera, so we can take group photo for inaugural session of this short-term certification course. Okay, done, Kiran sir? Okay, thank you. Now it's time for vote of thanks. Now we are moving towards end of this session. Now time to invite Nishant Thakur sir for the deliverance of the vote of thanks. I would like to request Nishant Thakur sir.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good day to all. I hope this webinar will help you out. I deem it a great honor to propose the word of thanks to all who have helped us in making this seminar such a resounding success. I extend my gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sri Dr. Naveen Seth sir, to take out time from his busy schedule to grace this event. Thank you, sir, for your very interesting and thought-provoking address. I would like to express my gratitude to all esteemed delegates of the webinar for their presence and contribution to make this webinar a great success. I would like to thank our distinguished speakers, Sri Mahesh Panchal sir, for making excellent presentation and making this seminar interesting and meaningful. I would like to express our profound gratitude to our managing trustee, Sri Dr. Bharat Rao sir, for his presence on this seminar and great valuable word delivered to the students. I would also like to thank our course coordinator, Professor Anand Acharya, and his team and industrial expert for their moral support and guidance. I'm happy to express word of thanks to our staff members who have made this inaugural seminar a grand success. I thank all the people who have participated overwhelmingly and making the event very successful. I would like to thank the coordinators of this webinar, of this session, that all events for making this seminar a great success. I would like to thank the volunteers who have been running around doing a lot of things. Thank you so much. Finally, the wonderful students who have turned up in such great numbers, not only from our department, but also from other departments of the colleges. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Best of luck, all the students. Once again, I thank all your cordial cooperation. Thank you so much for having me. Over to Anand, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Nishant sir, for a lot of thanks of this inaugural webinar session. And now it's time for national anthem, and I would like to request our technical team to start the national anthem song. So.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे